Hello, guys. Good evening.
Hello!
Hello. We have a new box.
Anong new box? Check.
What did you know? What is color at the pad?
Pad or paddle? Unboxing our new...
Paddle.
Your mic.
Hello. Oh,
Hello!
that's the color at it.
Sige. Bigyan natin sila ng 5 numbers.
Yes.
Or you can count 1 to 5. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now, let's try to guess the color. And now, we're going to open the box.
But
Chinny, but before that, put your mic in your, muna. Close. Oops, it's not like that. It's like this, oh. Help me. Ayan. Okay. So, are you ready, people of the Philippines? Ayan, you can unbox na right now. Sige na, go.
wait, you need to dust the color. The other one up.
Tadang!
Red and black.
Get it.
Have a razor.
Not eraser pala, it's a cleaner. Cleaner of the paddle.
There's a cleaner and the paddle.
Uy! Put in your face. Get the paddle, please.
Okay, oops.
Get the paddle.
Here.
Chili! This
Mama,
is...
so cool.
Yeah. Do you want to play with me?
Yes.
Yan. Introduce to them. This is from Camito, and this brand is
I'm going to get
Camito
the
Domino's.
balls.
So, yan.
You're going to get the
Meron siyang cute
balls.
box. Maganda siya compare sa other. So, medyo,
Hello?
alam nyo na. So,
One.
flexing this one because this is so beautiful.
only
And
the-
I guess, meron na akong magandang palo, no? Sa game ko. Sige na. Let's try the ball and the paddle. Go, go, go!
Hoy!
Woo! So, I bought pala the bag or the cover of my paddle because wala siyang libre. Dito, ang libre niya lang is yung cleaner ng paddle, and I bought this one. Mura lang din siya for the safety of my paddle. Kasi nga, say it, Boo! Why did you, sa floor?
The
Come
ball
here,
is
babe.
there now.
Ito. Kupo. What?
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Come here na dito. We're vlogging
The
ba
ball is there.
That's okay. Let's call Tito Junjun na lang. Say, hello.
Hello.
Describe the paddle.
Did you know what is this? You need to read this.
It
This
is
ba?
Domino's. Camito Domino's.
Read this ba? It's
Ano masasabi mo? Maganda siya? Or ano sabihin mo? Maganda ba?
this the madanda ba?
Ikaw, sinasabi ko, this is maganda.
That one is banda ba?
Yan ba? Itong paddle ba? Ano ba tong vlogger na to, uy?
This one is banda.
So, see you on the court, guys! Bye!
Bye.